Morning children, welcome to assignment key discussion. Assignment key of 9th class dated on 15th June 2020. The topic is grammar from second unit. Here two Romans are given. First Roman number, combine the following sentences using relative pronouns or non-finite verbs. Now let us see first one. The window pane was broken. The boy was punished by the headmaster. These two sentences you should combine by using who, a relative pronoun who. Now the answer can be the boy who broke the window pane. The boy who broke the window pane was punished by the HM, headmaster. The boy who broke the window pane was punished by the HM. Second one, he is very lazy fellow, I do not know it. You should combine these two by using that, the conjunction that or relative pronoun that. Say for this one, I do not know that he is a very lazy fellow. So that we are using here. I do not know that he is a very lazy fellow. Now let us see third one. There are some stars. They can be seen even during daytime. By using which you have to combine these two sentences. There are some stars. They can be seen even during daytime. Simply remove this they. When we remove this they and when we use which in the place of they, that can be the answer. There are some stars which can be seen even during daytime. So that is the answer. Now let us see fourth one. He ran fast. He caught the bus. Combine by using having. Having means perfect participle, non-finite clause. When we combine these two by using having, the answer can be having. Dear children, after having, we should write V3 of main verb. This V3. Run, ran, run. Having run fast. Having run fast, he caught the bus. Having run fast, he caught the bus. Similarly, this one also. She did hard work, she got the rank. Combine by using doing. So here doing is given. This is also non-finite clause. When we combine these two sentences by using doing, see here, the answer can be doing. So this did became doing hard work. Doing hard work. So this is the connector. Doing hard work. She got the rank. Doing hard work, she got the rank. Now let us see Roman number 2. Change the following sentences into passive voice, active voice and passive voice. So given sentences are in active voice, you have to change into passive. First one. The purest and freshest air surrounded him. Dear children, while changing from active into passive, what you have to do is you should concentrate on the tense of given sentence. In what tense the given sentence is. First you have to find it out so that you can select a suitable B form. See here, the purest and freshest is subject. The purest and freshest air subject. Surrounded is verb. Him is object. First confirm the tense. What tense it is? It is simple past tense. So we have to select B forms was or were. So let us make this object as subject. Him becomes here he. As it is in past tense, he takes the B form was, he was, and V3 of this main verb surrounded V3. He was surrounded, the preposition by, and this subject of active voice becomes object in passive voice, by the purest and freshest air. He was surrounded by the purest and freshest air. Now let us see second one. Michael had increased his personal best by 9.5 inches. Had increased. See this one? What tense it is? When had plus V3 is there, that is past perfect tense. So in past perfect tense, we need the B form been. Now the answer for this one is, so Michael subject, had increased verb, his personal best object. Now let us make this object as subject. His personal best. Had increased becomes had been increased by 9.5 inches by Michael. His personal best had been increased by 9.5 inches by Michael. Now let us see third one. They painted the house green. They subject, painted verb, the house object, green object complement. Now confirm the tense. What tense it is? Painted V2. Verb second form means simple past tense. Now let us make this object as subject. The house, as it is past tense, was we have to use, as it is the singular. The house was painted V3, past participle of the main verb. The house was painted, what color? Green. Painted green by, they becomes them. The house was painted green by them. Now let us see fourth one. Bert Stone trained his son well. Confirm the tense. What tense it is? It is simple past tense. So Bert Stone subject, trained verb, his son object. Trained V2. So the given sentence is in simple past tense. We need the B forms was or were. So make this object as subject. His son is son singular. So was is son was. V3 of this main verb. Trained. His son was trained well by Bert Stone. His son was trained well by Bert Stone. Now let us see last one, fifth sentence. Michael got many prizes. Michael subject, got verb, many prizes object. Confirm the tense. What tense it is? Simple past tense, because this is verb second form. Now let us make this object as subject. Many prizes. Many prizes. What about many prizes? Singular or plural? Plural. So here we need the be form were. Many prizes were got by Michael. Many prizes were got by Michael. So like this, children, we can change from active into passive. Thank you. All the best.